So I'm definitely looking to see rallies and sell every rally until I'm proven otherwise. And so the opposite of buy the dip is gonna happen for a while, for me anyway, which is sell the rallies. So if you bought the dip, new high. Well, now crack, a little consolidation sideways to kind of take a breather, right? Because sellers get exhausted. Like this morning, sellers got exhausted. You could tell. And sure enough, market bounce. It's like, figure it's like a rubber band, right? You stretch the rubber band. You're going to say, what if the rubber band breaks? I mean, no, we have precautionary measures for that. Rubber band actually, rubber band broke in 87 when we had the arbitrage going on between the futures and the indexes. Those things don't happen anymore. We're a lot more liquid. Those things are not going to happen. So let's assume the rubber band is not going to break. But we stretch the rubber band. What happens to the rubber band? You let the bottom go like this, right? You let the bottom go. It's like a bungee. It'll bounce, but it won't bounce all the way up there. It'll bounce maybe halfway, right? So that's my analogy. And then the second leg will come down. Just like on the way up. It would go up 5-6%, consolidate, gather energy for the next leg. Well, this is, now that everybody's in the pool, oddly enough, I said that in the video. In fact, the thumbnail of the video is a bunch of people in the pool. I didn't put a shark in there, not to scare people, but that's what's happening. So now we're going to get a leg down, which we did. We're going to kind of consolidate, build some kind of bear flag or some sort of consolidation. And then the sellers will come in again and sell it until they get exhausted again, which a lot of people call it capitulation, right? I'm looking at the volume. Stocks have been getting distributed for a while anyway. So yeah, my picture is not rosy, but can you make money? Of course you can. How can you make money on markets like this? Well, you buy puts, you sell calls, you trim your long positions. If you're in trash, get out. If you have a chance, get out. Take a small loss, because my mentor said it's never too late to sell. Cash is a position, by the way. 4%, right? If you're in Robinhood, I think you're getting 4.5%. Cash is a position. I wouldn't worry about it. If you're not comfortable shorting, if you're not comfortable buying puts, if you're not comfortable shorting equities or indexes, then just sit. Sitting on your hands is okay, man. You don't need to be involved every day, right? So that's it. That's my picture for 2025. I think this is something bigger than a lot of people are comfortably calling for buy the dip. Again, with the big caveat, big if earnings are going to fall short because we're really, really slowing down fast, okay, market's going to price that in. First of all, market's definitely now kind of looking at it and saying, oh, maybe there is no soft landing here. So it was priced in for perfection. Okay, so now it's kind of, that's coming off the table a little bit.